Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday, August 16th. Welcome back. Just want to do my morning trade recap. It's one of those good mornings where A, I'm on a tight timeline because I have to get out of here very shortly, and B, this has probably been one of the most profitable mornings I've had in such a condensed short period of time. My last trade was at let me see here what time my last trade was at. Was at 9:38, so only 8 minutes into the trading day, and I'm done my day. So let's go over my trade, guys, starting from the smallest to the largest win. It's a green day for me, which is very nice. Kind of took advantage of the support forum within Bull Bears and narrowed down my my bearbulls.com and broke down my watch list and traded 4 tickers today. And let's start with NVDA. So on NVDA, let's go down to the minute chart here, guys, to see what I did here. It was a very, very quick trade. Long story short, we had the market open. We had a drop down, a strong push up. It legged right up to peak at 161.38. Came back down, touched the 90 EMA, but strongly pushed up. So as soon as it broke the previous candles in around here, or the support around here, I went long. It went up and started to pull back down, and I quickly got out of my entire share size there, gaining me a simple $21. I was really hoping for a break of high right here, and if it did, then perhaps this could have been a couple $100 trade. But the reality is, it didn't break the high of day, and it came back down. I exited my position full. Got 21 bucks from that. Let's move on to TPR. Man, this is the one that I wish I stayed in, but I was kind of juggling a couple other trades at the same time, and I took the safe right out and got out. But long story short, TPR was on the ticker, or on the radar, and obviously you can see the breakout. Had a strong breakout after I had a kind of a weak overnight trading session. You can see how it started to form a little bit of a U. Anyways, it sounds like the bears were liking this, or the bulls were liking this one, and started to push up. It started to push up, breaking the 200 EMA on the 1 minute chart. So it broke up, based out, a strong leg up, based out. This is where I decided to go in long as soon as it broke the VWAP. I got in long for the haul, and I quickly got out. And that's because I was trading something else at the same time. That being mentioned, it would have been nice if I stayed in this one, because here we are. I got in around the $19 mark. Now it's pushed up to the $20 mark. $38 on that. That's okay. AMAT, I went short. So you can see AMAT was fairly volatile in the morning session. It was weak during the overnight trading. Very volatile in the beginning. Look at the first 5 minutes, just going nuts here, up and down, up and down, up and down. The idea behind this one for me was, as soon as it broke the lows of the 9:30 a.m. opening, I went short. Immediately started taking my profits. I say immediately. I was probably too premature taking my profits here, but the intent here was not to just have a grand slam. And the reason being is my grand slam came with MU earlier, so I was just protecting my profits. It came back up. I took some off the table. As it went back down, though, and broke the previous minute candle, I added to my position. It started to break down more, and I took my profits. This one gave me a few more bucks, 62 bucks. Small share count, though, guys. I was protecting my MU win over here, but they do add up. And let's go to MU here. This is where I was happy to say that I caught the leg up. So in the overnight session, it had a bit of a gap up, simmered down, and then as soon as that 9:30 a.m. market opened, look at the volume just flood in. I let the first minute candle close. It came back down, touched the 90 EMA. As soon as that started to show strength, popping right up, I entered the trade fairly quickly, as soon as possible anyways. Entered the trade here with anticipation to break the first minute wick. It popped right up, started to take some profit off the table, popped up again, took my profit off the table, started to come down, exited my position in full, guys. And the reason being, it was about It already broke this low, broke this low, broke this low. I exited in full right here. Came down, touched the 9 EMA, bounced up. As soon as it started to bounce up on the following minute candle, I decided to re-enter my position, re-entered it, popped up, took some profits, and the rest is history. So you can see MU still strong. It came up, but it's starting to pull back. This could have been the top out. It may render coming back down, but lo and behold, that one rendered me $319. Closing my day, $441 in the green. I'm very happy to polish off my Friday morning, and the best part is it was all done in 9 minutes. So thankful for that. So guys, have an amazing weekend, and I'll be back on Monday in full force, and hopefully we have another green day, and perhaps all under 20 minutes. That'd be cool. Okay guys, take care, and all the best.